There are many stories of strange and mysterious creatures out there. Some of them are just a myth, and, well, a few others have actually been caught on camera. This is exactly what happened to Shy Unique Legacy on Facebook while he was doing a live stream. He was talking to his viewers when all of a sudden he felt that there was something out there.
Backed over and show y'all that the picture came from in the back of my yard.
He opens his door and goes outside in hopes of capturing maybe a glimpse of whatever it is he feels is outside, when all of a sudden this is what he sees.
That's my backyard. In a little bit. This is the exact spot that I just...
You can clearly see a tall and creepy creature lurking in the background. His viewers saw it too, and the video went instantly viral. The creature seems to move very quick. It's very difficult to make out exactly what it is, but if you observe, there is a lamppost and the creature seems to pass just behind it, which makes me think this is not some sort of crappy CGI. I'm gonna leave that up to you. What do you think is going on here?
C'est magnifique. Comment on dit magnifique en italien? Magnifico!
There are some things that we can't see, but they are just as frightening as any other mysterious sighting out there, such as the bizarre sounds that people have been hearing all over.
Hola, aquí estoy otra vez. Desde el puerto de Mazarrón. Y bueno, como podéis ver, a mi perra la tengo muy nerviosa.
This year in 2020, it happened in Colombia. Check this out.
Otra vez.
Diego Franco and many others captured what sounded like an airplane at first. The problem is, it endured for minutes. And when it stopped out of nowhere, without any echo of sort. It was captured all over Medellin in Colombia, and whatever this thing was, locals were pretty much frightened, and I can completely understand why.